Today's video, we will learn about how to get your CREDO mobile account number and PIN as well as transfer PIN. So let's start. To get your CREDO mobile account number and PIN, follow the step based on the some provided information. So first we have to create a mobile account number and PIN. So you have to text the word account to this number 27336 to receive your account number, which is also your member number. So determine your CREDO mobile account number PIN. Your PIN can be either 000 or a 1234. So now get your transfer PIN. So first get transfer PIN. We have to call their customer service at this number 800-411-0848 for assistance in obtaining your transfer. So these are some simple steps to get your CREDO mobile account number and PIN and transfer PIN. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in the next video.